Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain American Savings Bank of Hawaii app review to see what you're using. So let's dive into it. So the Bank of American Savings Bank Hawaii app gives customers a convenient way to manage their finances on the go. It includes core features like checking the balance, viewing recent transaction history, transferring money between accounts, paying bills, and depositing check with mobile deposit. The app also supports biometric login, account alert, and ATM or branch locator, which make it a practical tool for everyday banking. It has a simple interface and it's designed to be user-friendly, especially for customers across Hawaii. However, the app has mixed review, with some user reporting glitches after update, occasional mobile deposit failure, and issues with bill payment processing slower than expected. Customer service responsiveness has also been a point of criticism, with account access problem occur. So in conclusion, the app still worth using if you are an American Savings Bank customer looking for a convenient way to handle daily banking tasks, but not generally ideal if you expect flawless performance or advanced financial tools within the app. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.